Hello, and welcome to the All About series. My name is Carrie Claypool, and I want to talk to you in this video about essential oils. Now, what are essential oils? Some people call it the lifeblood of the plant. So if you take a leaf or a stem and kind of break it open, there's going to be some liquid that comes out. And when you concentrate that and distill it, then you get an essential oil. So there are hundreds of different constituents that come from each plant. So that's what makes each one different. You use it on different parts of your body to affect, your eyes, your neck, your knees, your emotions, all systems of the body, your immune system, your respiratory system. There are so many uses for essential oils that we're still learning about. Essential oils are not anything new. They have been mentioned in the Bible hundreds of times. The Romans used them, the Egyptians used them, and people are really looking for better ways to take care of themselves without side effects. And so the popularity of essential oils has increased over the years. Now, there's good and bad to that. One thing is that everybody is now putting out essential oils. You can get them at the store and other companies and Amazon, and they're actually no different than perfume. They're using either floral water, so it may smell like the essential oil, but you're not really going to get the therapeutic benefits. So the bottle can still say 100% pure, but it doesn't have the constituents of the oil because it's just floral water. And other companies are able to sell their essential oils cheaper because they use chemicals to extract more oil from the plant, or they dilute the essential oil with actual chemicals. So a lot of them out there are not even safe to use. You certainly don't want to take a lot of them internally. There'll be labels on the bottles that say do not put on skin, do not, ingest. And that's because, again, they're no more different than perfume and will actually cause more harm. So you want to make sure that you know the company that you're buying from, that, they have their farms, that they know what they're doing as far as distilling and not using chemicals. And so I only use Young Living. They have farms all over the world that anyone can visit. You can see how they make their stuff, how they grow, their seeds in organic soil. And again, you can go to seed2seal.com to find more about that. And essential oils can be used in the diffuser. You can put it on your skin for different issues, or you can take them internally. And recently, Young Living was in the top 10 for direct sales company in the entire world. And the reason for that is that people keep coming back. The products work. They buy products every single month. Young Living has been doing this for over 25 years, so they're not going anywhere. And they are a billion-dollar worldwide company. I know it can be a little bit overwhelming, so I want to welcome you again to this All About series. I've broken down different oils, the most popular ones that people use, into videos, so I hope you will watch each one. If you have questions or want samples of the oils that I use, or just to contact me and say hello, you can find me on Facebook at Every Single Drop with Carrie Claypool, and I look forward to hearing from you.